Hi everyone, I'm in Sun Factory. You can see this is our V7 capsule house. The whole house size is 11.5 meters long and 3.3 meters wide and 3.2 meters high, with total area of 38 square meters. After coming in, the integrated control panel to take power. The whole house divided into 4 parts, including the balcony and the bedroom, the bar, the kitchen, and the bathroom, the lounge. It installed the intelligent devices controlled by voice. 你好，蓝精灵，打开窗帘。Here is a bedroom area. It can fit a double bed here, and in the top of the bed you can see the control panel, the heating floor, and the AC, also the night light. The door and the window system, we use high-quality aluminum panels, and the window we use the double hollow tempered Louis glass. Equip the electric skylight. You can line the bed and enjoy the view. The projector screen is a high quality configuration. We can also customizable for you. There is the open kitchen with the customizable color cabinet and range hood, the double zone inductor, cooker, and wash sink to wash vegetables and enter guidance. Also install the bar table. You can enjoy your meal here. We are in the wide and dry separation bathroom, and there is the smart mirror with faucet and spacious cabinets. The heating enclosed rack for our high quality configuration. Also equip the smart toilet with our standard configuration. The shower area with HVAC lighting system and shower head and the drain. Here is a small restroom. You can also be as a small bedroom. This room is also equipped with the electric curtains, also the central AC. Here also equipped the bedside niche with night light and the switch panel. You can control the AC and the floor heating. Okay friends, that's all our V7 model capsule house. If you are interested in it, please contact us.